Jump ball. First 2 points for Calano, 2-0. David, over to number 5, Sarmiento, no. Rebound Calano. Over to number 0. Moshika Tempo, Fidel. Over to number 9, Acebo. In and out. Here's number 0. Cebulien. Binibigay Cas. Cas fakes. Kick out, David. Manayo fakes. Shoots, short. Second rebound for Calano. Here's Ferrer. Ferrer, quickly to Tagayo. Turnover. David crossing the timeline. Banayao. Wala. Rebound Ferrer. 3-on-1 break. Ferrer. Tagayo. Tagayo. Yes, sir. 4-0. Apat na, kalaman na nag-serve. Pass. Tops. Palakas. Rebound Manaya. Offensive board. Makes. Shoots. Basket is good. Happy Bagnet. 2 points. 4-2. Dalawang inahabol ang Panthers with 8 minutes and 22 seconds in the first.
Di pala si Vidal yun, no? Wala rin na.
Opat, the big guy. To Calano. Calano. Basket plus a foul. Foul on number 0. Captain Smullen. That is his first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw for number 14, Calano. Completes the 3-point play. Making our tally 7-2. Under 8 minutes. Manayo goes all the way. Manayo scores back-to-back baskets. 7-4 ang ating score. Ferrer. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Malakas. Rebound. Captain Cebulien. 4-2. Pass. Easy 2 points limit. Here's Ompad. The big guy, Ompad to Calano. Calano. IRT shot. 2 points. 9-4. Limang kalamangan. Sa gitna. Number 0. No. Rebound pass. Pulled up. No. Rebound Ompad. Lead pass. Same ball. With 19 on the shot clock. 19 seconds to shoot for Team Churva. No good. Pass. 3-on-3 break. Stops. Scores.
Shooter eh, no?
2 points, 96. Tatlong inahabol ng Panthers, kakawat. Manayaw, 3-on-3. Manayaw the pass.
Ay.
Back to back? Yes, sir. 9-8. Just an inch lead. Isa lang ang kalamangan ng Churva. Here is Acebo. Topad in the middle, the big guy. Nawalan. Rebound number 0. Number 0. Derecho. No good. He gets his own miss. Second serve. Wala pa rin. Rebound Ferrer. Ompad fakes. But there's a foul.
Number 4.
Foul on number 0. That is the second personal foul. Second team foul.
0 pala.
2 free throws for number 77, Ompad. Two out of 2 on that trip on the line for Ompad, making official score 11-8. 5 minutes and 45. Pass. Sa gitna. Captain Sibuyan blocked. Swatted away by Ompad. Same basketball with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Pass. Short jumper. Wala. Rebound Ferrer. Nakmawala rin. Ferrer. 2-on-1. Ferrer comes to those 2 points. 13-8. Limang kalamangan. Pass. Yes, sir. Change players.
Pwede kayo mag-time out, ha?
Number 19. Atiola. To number 9. Over to number 24, Martinez. Gomez, all alone. Gomez!
Ha?
3!
Ano?
16 to 10. Our official tally. Aning ang kalamangan. Here's Manayaw. Manayaw scores. 16 to 12. Balik sa apat. Here's Atiola. Atiola, back to Gomez. Back to Atiola. Rescue between Martinez and Atiola. 3-on-2 break. Captain Sibuyan lays up 2 points. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan, 16-14. Atiola, bad pass. Nakakuha ni Sarmiento. Over to Cas. Cas fakes, shoots, scores. All of 16.
Time out, time out.
Under 4 minutes. Here's Canoy. No.
Time out. Sige. 5 lang tayo eh. Wala nang mga player ng mga to. Ha?
Walang gana.
Okay, bring it down the basketball. Binigay kay Sarmiento. Over the pass. Traveling violation. 1 step too many for Cas. Turnover. Gomez bringing down basketball. Over to Magayo. Number 19, Atiola. Fires. Short. Rebound number 17. Agaw. Ito na si number 0. 2-on-2. Shoots. No.
Ang taas na balon.
One ball.
Ang taas na balon, ah. Kondisyon, ah.
Gomez. Magayo. No. Martinez with the offensive rebound. Shoots. Basket is good. 18 to 16. Here's Manayo. Steps on the gas. Goes all the way. Yes, sir. What a knockout play for Manayo. 2.5 remaining in the first. Gomez. Martinez hits. Lay. Yes, sir. One move from Martinez. 20 to 18. Manayo sidestep beauty. No. But there is a loose ball foul
19.
on number
19.
19.
First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. 18 on the shot clock.
Tinukuran eh.
Fifteen to shoot. Manayo sa gitna sa Sarmiento, all alone. Atiola. Gomez. Mag-isa lang. No. Rebound pass. Under 2 minutes. Pass. Wala. Rebound Atiola. Dito Canoy. Martinez. Canoy. Martinez. Fakes. Canoy. Free throw jumper is good. 22 to 18. Balik sa apat na kalamangan. Ng Churba. Manayaw. Dire-diretso. Wala. Gomez. Bonus now. Gives it to Tagayan. Tagayan fakes. Tagayan shoots. Churaro in violation.
Time out, oy. Time out. Panthers.
Timeout Panthers. Official score is 22-18 with a minute and 13 remaining in our first quarter.
Sulit yun niya, abot ng 5 lang. Ang ano mga players nila, madami yan lagi. Ngayon lang wala ah.
Panggabi.
Yan lang. Game.
Back to the ball game. Sarmiento. A minute and 5. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Then the baka. Ferraro in violation. Turnover. Tagayo. Short. Rebound Martinez. Back to Tagayo. No. Malaya over the pass. Pass to Ortiz. Pass. Lays up. But there is a foul on number 19. Atiola.
Tinawin sa
That
area.
is his second personal foul.
Second.
Second team foul.
Uy, sa kabila, second na.
2 free throws for number 8.
Baliktad yan eh.
Pass.
Inawi, no?
Awi yung ginampas eh. Hindi naabot.
Pasok mo.
No good on the second. White ball.
Ganda nun.
20 seconds remaining. 15 to shoot. 2 points for Atiola. Patay na po ang shot clock. 24-18. Last 8 seconds. 5 seconds. End of the first quarter. Official score is 24-18 in favor of Turba.
Tug, 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 tug. Baby loves, loves. Anong players yung Panthers? Ano nangyari sa mga to? Kawawa naman yung Panthers.
Back to the ball game. Start of the second quarter.
Sa inyo kaya, sa inyo kaya. Kaya sa inyo.
Ganda rin pala ng Jamoran to.
Cash. Tumira.
Ay,
No good. Rebound Talanaw. Ferrer. Atiola. No. Talanaw, 2 points. 26-18. Wala nang kalamangan. David, binigay kay Manayaw. Manayaw, sumasayaw. Manayaw. Shoots, no. Gets his own miss. Takes, kick out. David, nilapit na Bagya. Scores. 26-20. Ang ilang kalamangan ng Turba. On back. 15 to shoot. Atiola, all alone. Basket is good for number 19. 28-20. Under 9 minutes. Manayaw. Open court. Manayaw lays up. Manayaw na good.
may sakit points eh. Di makakapunta.
Good defense, Tagaw Ligas. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 points.
Nilagnat.
28-22.
Naulanan daw siya. Init ulan. Nakamakto niya yan. Pawi daw siya sa susunod.
Wala si Bench.
May sakit, nilagnat.
Fair.
Manayaw.
But there's a
First.
foul on number 4. Manayaw, that is his first personal foul, first team foul.
Nilagnat.
2 free throws for number 0, Ferrer.
Bawi daw siya Monday. Kaya niya daw siya. Tuwang-tuwa rin yung ibang mga players eh. Dito lang din sila nakakita ng Lydia na ang bilis daw mag-upload ng picture eh. Kinabukasan upload daw agad eh.
Seguye. David. No. All five. All five. Powers his way. Miller. Manayaw, field 1. David. David, ilapit. Pinilitas. Ito yung second violation.
Eh, tinaharap na ito.
Turnover.
Nag-step back pa si attorney eh. Sulit na eh. Ha?
Step back.
Acebo. Abdiola. In and out. Rebound sa Alberto. Quickly to Cas. Cas.
Al!
Acebo. Recovers the loose ball. Ferrer. Alanon. 2 points. Easy 2 points for Alanon. 13-22.
Mo!
David. Cas. David. Cebuyen. No. Rebound Abdiola. Acebo. Abdiola. Yes, sir. 32-22. Sampu na po ang kalabangan ng Team Sherwa. Here is David. Cas. Wala pa rin. Rebound ng pad. Over to Acebo. Acebo. Ferrer. Ferrer. Tips to in and out. Ferrer. Wala pa rin. Save basketball.
Tama ba? Tama lang nga.
Turn on the shot clock. Wala. Basket is good. For Panano. 34-22. Labing dalawa na ang mga bullet ng Panthers. Manayaw fakes. Manayaw fakes. Logan. Acebo. Panano, 2 points. 36-22. Under 6 minutes remaining in our second.
Time out, time out.
Abdiola. In and out. Rebound Manayaw. Over to Cas. Ito ng Panthers. 3-on-2. Manayaw stops. Manayaw tops. Manayaw scores. 36-24. Adjusting point lead for Churba. Acebo fakes. Calano. Back to Acebo. Easy layup. No. Nakuha na yung Manayaw rebound. 3-on-2 break. Manayaw. Shoots. Back shot is open. Chase players. 36-26. Official tally, exactly 5 minutes remaining in the second. Number 8, Tagayo. Tagayo to Gomez, 15 to shoot. Tagayo free throw jumper. Tagayo scores. minutes and 40. Turnover.
Time out, time out.
Nakabot na eh.
Time out, time out, time out. Ayaw ah. Hinapo ko na eh.
David. Sagutin. Single. With 11 seconds on the shot clock. 11 to shoot. David. No good. 2-on-1 break. Tagayan spin. But there is a foul on number 4, Manayaw.
Second,
Manayaw, that is his second personal foul.
first.
First team foul. Tagayan scores! 40-28. Here's Gas. Gas, sidestep. Cebuller. In and out. Rebound David. Naagawan ni Manoy. Tagayon. Gomez. Martinez. Tagayon. No. Gas. Gas. Wala. Rebound Manoy. Fer. Fer. Tagayon. Gas ko na good. 42-28.
Ha? Time out daw?
2 minutes. Gomez. Tagayon. Nilapit. No. Second try. Wala pa rin. Rebound na rin. 4-2. Gas. Lays up. Martinez. Quickly to Gomez. Gomez. Tagayon. Yes, sir.
Time out, boy. Time out.
Timeout, Panthers. Official score is 44-28 with a minute and 31 remaining in the second quarter.
So na yung second game. Mabilis na matapos.
Back to the ball game.
Panthers, goal.
Panthers, may isa pa kayong timeout ha. Pwede pa kayo mag-timeout ha.
David Manayaw, namamadali. Scores 44-30. Lamang pa rin ang Chorba ng 14. 1 minute and 15. Martinez. Tagayo. Another one. No. Rebound pass. 3-on-2. Gas. Free throw jumper. It's good. 44-32.
Surbol sa attorney ah.
50 seconds remaining in the second. 15 to shoot. Rebound Martinez. The last touch on white, black ball. Shot clock is turned off. 20 seconds remaining. Del Pagkasa. No good. Gomez. Gomez. Martinez. 5 seconds. Gomez.
Dahil budget eh. Ang hirap na nun ipasok. Ang dami nyo naman siya. Hirap nyo nun i-manage. Yun ang yun.
Diyan pa magkakagulo yan eh, no?
Alam mo, pag sobrang dami ng malalaki, mahirap magulo na yan. Mawawala ng playing time yung iba. Yung laro. Tartoy! Tartoy, bendito mo.
Back to the ball game. Start of the third quarter.
Pinapalaro ka to. Laro ka to eh. Laro ka na.
Pero kaya sa patas. Bibigyan ka pa niyan to, maglaro ka lang. Pag natalo pa yan, sabihin ko.
2 points at Viola. 46-32. Acebo to Kalanog. Kalanog fakes. Sa ilalim, ang pad, 2 points. 48-32. Manayaw. Manayaw. Spins, shoots, scores. 48-34. Lamang pa rin ang Sherwa. Ang labing apat. 15 on the shot clock. Ito na si Acebo. Binigay kay Adiola. Adiola shoots. Rebound Manayaw. Manayaw. All the way for 2. 48-36. Labing dalawang inahabol ng Panthers. Here's Ompad. The big guy. Gives it to the other one. Kalanog, 2 points. 15-36. Labing apat. Sarmiento.
Kaya, ano sa
2
sasakyan?
points. 50-38.
Third quarter na.
Third na third.
Here's Sarmiento with a steal. Sarmiento, fakes, shoots, kick out,
Ayun, didinira.
pass. No good. Ompad, under 8 minutes. Ompad. Akiola, bank shot is good, 2 points. 52-38. Segulier, no. Rebound, Akiola. Binigay kay Kalanog. Number 14 guy, Kalanog. Basket is good. Segulier to Cas. Cas fires. Malakas. Acebo with the board. 3 on 2 break. Same basketball. With 18 on the shot clock. Cas. 3 on 2 break. Cas. Dire-diretso. Easy up and in. 54-40. Acebo. Acebo gets the basket, 2 points. 56-40. Manaya. Lefty layup is good. 56-42. 6.5 remaining. Acebo decides to fire. Rebound Manaya. Cas. Cas, side step. fakes, ilapit, Cibulyen, basket. 256-44, nalo ni Sarmiento. Sarmiento, the smallest guy on the floor. Maraming pasa sa kalaban. 3-on-2 break. Acebo, Akiola. Fading away. No. Analog, 2 points. 58-44. 5 minutes and 47 remaining in this third. Manayaw. Manayaw. Back shot, 2 points for Manayaw. 38-46.
Time out, time out.
Ferrer. Akiola. Akiola. Tagalog. No good. Rebound Cass. Cass. Dire-diretso. Yes, sir. 58-40. Balik sa 10. Tagalog. At the post. Tagalog. Muscles his way. No. Rebound Manayaw. Manayaw. Stops and pops. Glass. Ompad with a rebound. Ompad.
Sab daw, sab.
Sub to, sub.
Substitution.
Time out, time out. Dalawa pa time out nyo.
Dalawa pa.
Oo.
Time out,
Oh, time out. Time out.
Timeout
Panthers.
Official score is 58-48 with 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining in the third.
Chip ko to. Biging 430 ah.
G. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Fourteenth shoot. Block. Martinez. But there's a foul on number
26.
26. David.
First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. Acebo. 10 on the shot clock. 5 seconds. Tagayo. Rebound Tagalog. Powers his way. Good ball, good ball. Manayaw, wala Manayaw. Manayaw, wala tayo. Pass. Basket is good.
Parang players.
Tanoy. Tanoy scores. 60-50.
Sab daw ah.
David. Cibulyen. Basket is good. 60-52. Single digit lead. Wala na lang. With exactly 3 minutes remaining in the third. Acebo. Tanoy. Easy. No good. David quickly to pass.
Tama ba? Nagtitip?
No good. Tagayo. Acebo. Tagayo. No. Martinez. Take it out. Same ball.
Sub, sub, sub.
Substitution.
All number 5.
Foul on number 5, Sarmiento. That is his first personal foul, second team foul. 14 to shoot. Short. Segulier. Leads pass to pass. No! It misses the easy 2 points. Martinez. Martinez. Backs down on the defender. Agayon. Sable. With 11 seconds on the shot clock. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes. No good, the rebound pass. White ball.
Sige, sige. Thank you.
Panoy, Agayon drives. Gets his own miss. Panoy.
Meron na rin yun.
62-52.
Yung brothers na eh, kunat may nakunat singilin eh. Yung brothers, ang kunat singilin. Pag di pa sila nagbayad sa Monday, di-default ko sila.
Matapikan. White ball.
Magiging ano kayo, plus 20. Kayo kalaban nun eh. Kasi baka mamaya, bigla lang tumakbo na eh. Tatlong kapang-apat na laro na eh. Mahirap pag-abono eh.
Segulier. Mangayaw. Wala pa rin. Rebound Panoy. Nakakuha ni Segulier. 15 to shoot. Pass, sidestep. Negative. Acebo. Martinez. 2 points. 64-52. 20 seconds remaining in the third. Manayo shoots. Manayo 2 points. 10 seconds to go. Seconds. The end of the third quarter. Official score is 64-54 in favor of Churba.
Kasi yun, dalawa na talo nun eh.
Oo nga. Baka biglang mag-hit and run eh, tapos mag-aabono pa ako sa referee. Yung brothers, yung green. 5,000 pa lang eh, 3 laro na sila.
Eh wala nga, kung i-default mo sila, lalo silang hindi naman maglalaro yun, dahil tayo sila.
Eh, kasalanan nila yun. Kaysa naman ako mag-abono, 5,000. Eh pag pumunta yung refer dito, bayad yan eh. Matuloy yung laro nila, hindi. Kaya mas maganda, pag di pa sila nagbayad, di-default yun na. Di dalawang game na lang ang babayaran ko sa referee. Sisimula tayo 7:30 o 7.
Boy.
Time out agad, 3 pa, time out. Pwede ba? Time out, sige time out. Oh. Ano, wala. Oh, wala doon time out. Ayaw ng boss eh.
Start of the fourth quarter. Signaling the play. Manayaw. Free throw jumper. Good line. Wala. White ball. Here is Acebo. Acebo. Nagawa, Manayaw. 4-on-2. Manayaw goes to coast. Wala. 3-on-2 pass. Wala pa rin. Gets his own miss. Second serve is good. 64-56. Walo. Malakas. David. Segulier. 2-on-2. 2-on-3. Segulier. Malaya. Here is Acebo. the loose ball. Acebo, 1-2.
Time out, time out.
Gomez. Wala. Rebound na rin. Segulier. Tocas. 3-on-2. Catch, free throw jumper. Segulier, offensive rebound. Nakakuha ni Manayaw.
Foul,
But there is a
77.
foul on number 77 on Pat.
First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 4, Manayaw.
Nakabihis na doon, ano? Laki na na eh. Ba't ang tagal magbihis? Ha? Tagal magbihis eh. Pagod na pagod.
Second throw is good, splitting with Charity. 1 out of 2. 66-57, our official tally. Tanoy, nakawala. Pinigin niya Sebo, all alone. No! David, Manayaw. Manayaw gets the basket throw. 60-60, ani na lang. 3 possession ball game.
Time out daw yung kabila.
Martinez sidestep. Kick out Gomez.
Kanya ka siya dyan, i-famous mo.
Hanoi, short stop. Is good.
Time out, Panthers. Panthers.
Timeout, Panthers.
Dalawa pa.
Official
Dalawa pa
score
tayo, Macho,
is
dalawa.
66-60.
Isa lang, oo. Tama yan, kasi naka-pass break sila.
Nga 61 eh.
Back to the ball game.
Dalawa pa tayo mat nyo, dalawa pa. Oo.
Sarmiento, Benavides. Benavides scores. 68-62. Anin ka lang. Gomez. Nakagaw ni Sarmiento. Sarmiento. What is he gonna do? Sarmiento drives. Benavides. Benavides. Sa ilalim. Pass. No good. Rebound ng Pat. On Pat. Kick out.
Patay. Pinabayaan niyo yan.
Gomez! Free!
Sabi na.
71-62.
Pinabayaan niyo yun eh.
Balik sa shot. Ang kalamangan.
Shooter yun eh. Ay.
Pass. Pass. Segulier. Segulier, the runner. In and out. Manayaw gets the offensive board. Manayaw fires. No good. Sarmiento gets the ball. Recovers the loose ball. Light to shoot. Manayaw gets it up and in. Lead pass. Acebo. Acebo, touchdown. 2
Dalawa.
points. 73-63. Balik sa 10 kalamangan. Churba. Here is Cass. Eye to eye with Pinoy.
Yun o.
Cass.
Yun o.
Sidestep. Manayaw. Fade away. Too much muscle behind. Here's Acebo. Steps on the gas. Acebo and November. Gomez all low.
Time out daw, time out.
Timeout Panthers. Official score is 76-63 in favor of Churro with 5 minutes and 41 seconds remaining in the
Grabe talaga
fourth.
kamay nun. Di yung pwedeng iwanan talaga. to eh.
Oo nga, nabanggit ni Jay.
Para sa ako, 7:30 simula tayo.
Back to the ball game. Sarmiento. Sa gitna, Benavides. Benavides waits. Bad pass, turnover. Gomez. Quickly to Acebo, touchdown, 2 points. 78-63. Balik sa ng 5. Manaya. Free throw jumper is good. 78-65. 15th shoot. Short. Rebound. Last touch on one. Benavides. Benavides.
Sakto.
Substitution.
Ba't ka pala nakahubad?
Ligas. Nakawala si Acebo. 2 points.
Sa Paul.
Seguyen. Basket. 80-67. Canoy receives the outlet. Acebo loses the ball. Acebo fakes. Ompat. Canoy. Malakas. Acebo rebound. Ompat easy 2 points. 82-67 after 4 minutes. Manayao. Yes, sir. Ferrer. Acebo. Canoy. Good ball rotation. Ferrer. 3!
Timeout. Panthers.
Timeout!
Wala
Panthers.
sila timeout.
Wala na pong timeout ang King Panthers. Official score is 82-69 in favor of Churva with 3 minutes and 28 seconds remaining in the fourth.
Wala pang players yung elite 40s. Basta yung laro talaga,
Back to the ball.
diretso, sakto lang sa oras.
That scores 85-71. 3 minutes and 12 in the fourth. Kalanov. Cross court to Ferrer. Rebound Ferrer.
Sa Platoy.
Basket Tagayong. 87-71. Pass. Crossover. Pass. Block. Same ball. 14 on the shot clock. High pass. Martinez, Tagayun gets the friendly roll. 89-71.
Santoy.
Foul on number 17, Canoy. Substitution. That is his first personal foul.
Second.
Second team foul. Manayao. Last 2 minutes. Manayao. Malakas. Rebound Tagayun. Tagayun. No. jumper. No good. Ferrer. Martinez. Martinez. Tagayon fakes. Tagayon fade away. Wala. Tagayon, second serving. Yes, sir. 91-71. Martinez. 3-on-3 break. Tagayon receives. Actiola fires. Yes, sir. 2 points. 93-71. One ball. Martinez. That's 35 seconds. 10 to shoot. Tagayan 2 points. 95-71.
Sa Platoy.
Two points for Cass. Last 15 seconds to go.
Okay na.
End of the regulation. 2 free throws awarded to number 8, Tagayon.